So I got this lawn sweeper because I have a robotic lawnmower, as you can see there, and it doesn't always pick up the grass clippings. And because of all the heat, it wasn't running well with the battery. So what I had to do is run it once a week instead of every couple of days, and it left a lot of grass clippings. So I bought one of these. It's called a lawn sweeper, and what this does is an amazing job at picking up all the clumps of grass. It even picks up dog poop. It's called the lawn sweeper. I did put the link in the comments here if you want to check it out. They're under 200 bucks. It'll pick up leaves. As you can see, the basket's filling up here. We'll throw it in our Costco bag after. And it is amazing. So again, the great thing is it's a little wider than a lawnmower. And if you hear that clicking, that's just the adjustment it gives you, depending on how your lawn is and the type of grass. You can go up or down to make it smoother and have less resistance. But this here will pick up everything: leaves, dog poop, pine cones, grass. Look at all that, it's catching everything. Go back this way now. It's a good workout. You know, there's no motor on this. But again, you could set the resistance level with that lever. And if you have a lawnmower that doesn't pick up the clippings, again, I have a robotic lawnmower. He's over there in the corner. That's the Luba 2. It does not pick up clippings. But you can see here, it's doing a great job. And then when you're done or the bag's full, slide this down, pick this up, and you can either dump it in the woods like I have back there, or I get these bags here from Costco, or you can get them at Lowe's, or Home Depot, or supermarkets. You could dump it right in the bag, and they pick it up every Friday in front of the house. Missed a little bit, no big deal. Snaps right back in, and off we are again. Pretty ingenious thing. Again, if you don't have a lawnmower that picks up. I mean, look at that. Totally clear in those first few stripes here. And as we're coming into the fall, you're gonna have a lot of leaves on the ground. So this will pick up leaves. I will admit, I have not used it yet on wet leaves. I would imagine it would work, but if anyone has used it on wet leaves and has experience, please let me know. I know it's going to be a little heavier. This is not a show. This is real time cleaning up the backyard. We'll do this path here, and then I'll circle back so you can see how nice it did. Just amazing. Look at that, no magic. Perfect. Go back down in the middle now. And again, it's as easy as if you have some woods behind your house like me, you can simply just dump it back there. I'll come back with the leaf blower and push it into the woods a little more. This bottle here is the Gardenia, which I believe is Husqvarna's model. And I hope you like it. Links in the bio. In the description.